The armor of God, detailed in Ephesians chapter 6 and verses 10 to 18. Belt of truth symbolizes honesty, integrity, and the foundational truth of the gospel, anchoring the believer in their faith. Breastplate of righteousness represents moral integrity and purity that guards the heart against evil and temptation. Shoes of peace suggests readiness and stability that comes from the gospel of peace, enabling believers to stand firm in spiritual battles. Shield of faith portrays faith as a protective barrier against doubt, fear, and spiritual deception, extinguishing all the flaming arrows of the evil one. Helmet of salvation indicates the assurance and hope of salvation, protecting the mind from doubt and despair. And sword of the Spirit